Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to run audio copyright check in CapCut before uploading or publishing our video to social media. Alright, here I have imported my video to CapCut. I have added an audio to my video as well, and we are going to check the audio copyright. And before you run the copyright check, make sure that the duration of the video is more than 1 minute or at least 1 minute. And make sure you have added an audio to your video because we are going to check the audio copyright. Let's get started. First of all, we have to click on this audio option right here, and just simply click on copyright option. Then you have to wait until it's 100%, and hold on guys, it's still running. Okay guys, and this audio is free from copyright, so we can upload this video to social media without worrying about the copyright. Alright, and that's how we can run copyright check in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye!